Hi everyone, today we are cooking vegetables risotto. So first we're gonna prepare the veggies. We're gonna need 1 onion, we're gonna cut it on cubes. We're gonna cut the carrots on slices. I'm gonna put it this much, this I won't use. 1 cup of peas and we can start cooking. First we put some oil. If you have olive oil it's perfect, but I'm gonna use now sunflower. Add the onion for about 1 minute. Cook only onion. Now we're gonna add the carrots, peas, mix it well, salt, pepper, and cook it like this for about 5 to 7 minutes. In between mix it well. I'm adding some basil as well. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of rice. I put a bit less than a cup of rice. And 2 full cup of water. And now we're gonna cook this on small fire about 20-25 minutes until the rice is cooked. As soon as the water starts boiling, I add in 1 vegetable cube and slowly mix it until the whole cube melts. If your rice is still not cooked, just add a bit more water if it's needed and cook it a bit more. And in between always mix it. Now we're cooking about 10 minutes. The rice still needs a bit more. It smells amazing and I promise you it tastes delicious as well. I'm gonna leave it for about 2 more minutes. Our risotto is ready to serve. I cooked it about 20 minutes, a bit longer, 25. Eccola. Perfect. I always add some grana padano on top. And if you want, you can add 1 spoon of sour cream. It goes very nice beside. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao! Bon appétit, mon ami!